So these mirrors on Jeeps have a tendency to wear out. They kind of break up around the edges and they get all messed up. It's really easy to take off. All you're gonna need to take it off is a T20 bit. It's a 6-point, like a hex bit. And for this new mirror that I bought, I'm also using a Phillips head screwdriver. So just take your T20, stick it in there. It's like mine, it's already like super loose. You can just do it by hand. Literally all you gotta do is just pull it right up. It comes right off. You can see all the messed up glass. You can see me. Then here's the new one. Just take the screw out. Like I said, this one I got off of Amazon. I'll put a link below. And it just has a Phillips head screw. Slide the little metal piece out. Back up, slide it down into place. We're gonna see if this new screw fits in here. And it does. So then just tighten it up with your Phillips head. That's all there is to it. Get it adjusted.